stay on the bottom here.
Wealth Underground.
Monday, June 13th, Plan B.
We're going to open it up, open the box up, check on the bees, and we're also going to be putting on the neck super and frames. Over. Are we ready to smoke them?
Let's smoke them, if you got them.
There may be one under the lid here.
All right.
There we go.
Sure.
Not much activity there.
Here we go.
I'll be the guy running to the pond for a reed.
They get heavier as they have more bees on
We
them.
got a little activity.
Little action on the bottom there too.
No, I bet you we're getting close to the queen. Look at the orange on that foot there.
Yeah,
Pollen.
pollen baskets. Oh, you can see nice brood
Oh yeah.
right down in there.
Yeah. Look at starting right
Yep.
there. Is that orange color?
Mm-hmm.
See if I can zoom in on it.
And the ones that are capped off have eggs inside.
There's the egg right there. Looking for the queen.
Yeah, good luck.
Yeah.
Wow, they got a lot of pollen on them now.
Yeah, they do. They're the sealed up ones.
And you got the Corollians, the
As opposed to the Italian.
as opposed to the Italians. Yeah.
They got any queen cell activity on the bottom?
What's the deal with the orientation? Oh, to match up
Oh, yeah.
artistically. They're all over the raspberries right now.
What's it called? The hip?
Pollen baskets.
Look at that.
That's what we want. We want to see good pollen gathering action.